Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to redeem points on American Express and maximize your rewards effectively. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Log in to your American Express account. Begin by visiting the American Express website or opening the American Express mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access your rewards. Step 2. Navigate to the Rewards section. Once logged in, look for the Rewards or Membership Rewards section. This is where you can manage your points and see how many you have available for redemption. Step 3. Browse redemption options. Explore the various ways to redeem your points. American Express offers multiple options, including travel, statement credits, gift cards, and merchandise. Take your time to review each category to find what interests you the most. Step 4. Select your preferred redemption method. After selecting a category, choose the specific redemption option you want. For example, if you choose travel, you can book flights, hotels, or rental cars. If you opt for gift cards, browse the different retailers available. Step 5. Review the points requirement. Before proceeding, check the number of points required for your selected reward. Make sure you have enough points to complete the redemption. If you have a specific amount that falls short, consider other options or saving points for a future reward. Step 6. Complete the redemption process. Once you've confirmed your reward choice and point balance, follow the prompts to complete the redemption. This may involve entering additional information, such as travel dates or personal details for shipping a gift card. Step 7. Confirmation. After submitting your redemption request, you should receive a confirmation email from American Express. Keep this email for your records, as it contains important information about your redemption. Step 8. Enjoy your rewards. Now that you've successfully redeemed your points, it's time to enjoy the rewards. Whether it's a free flight, a shopping spree, or a credit on your bill, take full advantage of the benefits you've earned through your American Express membership. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand how to redeem your American Express points easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.